In today's video, we got some very special news to go through. I'm having a baby. Crazy, I know. So I'm basically just gonna do a quick gender reveal. I know what it is, you guys don't. My wife knows what it is, so let's get to it. And now I decided to replace the one thing in my car that I thought was just a little cumbersome were the door pulls. I like them as they are. Just that big chunk of metal just it's not doing it for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put these Porsche ones in from Hall Sports on Instagram. I'll tag them here across the screen. But yeah, we'll throw these on real quick. And I'm going with pink because if you saw earlier in the video, I'm having a baby girl. So I'm very excited. She's gonna be absolutely into cars. So you'll see her once we get to that point. But yeah, man, super duper excited. So we'll throw these in. She's gonna be part of this car just as much as I am. So yeah, let's throw these in real quick. It's Hall Roasters parts. That way, if anybody else is looking for the same thing, and that way you'll see how clean they are now. We're gonna need to drill out a hole a little bit bigger for this to sit there. And then it should fit almost perfectly. Unless it's supposed to go, it's supposed to sit like this. But then I still need a hole for this to fit into and through. So, nice. So then let's find and trace out a hole and then we'll drill these through. Where do I want it? Let's do some thinking. So I need to use these on the back, which essentially they give you the screws for, but this needs to be holes in this, so this can attach on the back side. So this has to come off first. So I will go ahead and take that off. And then, yeah, we're just gonna mark on a piece of paper, some tape or something, right here what these two line outs are, cut a hole and then put it up to this with our line, and then we should have the two holes that we need. So pretty much grab some tape, shove it on there, and just kind of massage it in so you can see the outline of it. And then we'll poke a hole through these. I don't think I have the right tool to poke a hole through it with, but nope. Okay, we have our tool. So we can just go ahead and poke our hole through. Ta-da. And then poke our hole through. Ta-da, it's not center on that one, but that's okay. And then we can take this tape off and then transfer it up here. We just have to line it up with where the other piece is, and then we'll go from there. Cardboard works a lot better. Just because it's a flat bottom, I don't have to worry about anything else. There we go. So much easier to transfer across over here. Let's just compare the two. This is bigger. This is bigger than this. So that way, if we start with this, we should be fine. And this is aluminum. we will just keep going so we knock it off. All right, so we got it lined up. It's in the hole. Looking good. I'm happy with the placement of it. So it looks like it's a little lower here. Seems like it's about even on the bottom side, which is good. So I'm happy with it. Now we got to take the whole thing off so we can drill the hole in the back. It's pretty snug on there, but we can definitely attach it on the back side so it doesn't go anywhere. So one more side to go, and then we'll take this off and do the whole thing. All right, so got it trimmed out pretty even all the way across, and then this is the piece itself. So we should just be able to basically plop it in, and then we can hang a little bit, and then there we go. So still the same on the bottom, a little more on top. It's pretty much the same across the board, which is fantastic. So now I got to take the panels off and then attach this officially on the back side, and then we'll be done. So we got our piece laid out. This is basically what the cardboard piece looks like, where the positioning is going to sit on there. The screws that are going to go on the back side are decently sized, so we got our drill bit here. I'm going to drill the holes a little bit bigger than these holes here, probably bigger than this bottom hole is. But that'll push through, and then that will give us a little bit of wiggle room to move around, and then we should be good. So. We got our holes drilled. Fingers crossed they work. Cool. So we're on the back, and now we're on the front. Sweet. Now one more to do. Top. Just to give us a little more room. And then this will be adjustable.
Skyz, you're bad.
Yo, sorry, I missed the call.
All right, so we got our door pull on, nice and on there. Super solid, not going anywhere. And then we can go ahead and put these door cards back on and see what it all looks like finished up. Ooh-wee, looks good. Looks real good. I need all the pieces to put this back though, which I don't have. So it's looking good. It's looking real good. Now we got door pull where you can open, close, and it's just a cleaner look ultimately for me. And that's exactly what I was looking for. So cool. On to the other side. All right. So driver's side's in, passenger side's in, and now it goes with the Tuckin 99. So the pink is in accent color at this point, but yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, that'll be it for this one. That way, at least we know that you can put them on the LRD. Is that D or B? I thought it was B. That is a B, LRB. Door panels. You just have to make your own holes so this will fit, and I'm glad that I did because it looks fantastic. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Adios.